The bridges you cross every day, the buildings you get into every day, the cars that you drive, it's American manufacturing.
American manufacturing is truly the backbone of this country and this economy.
America first all the way. American steel, it builds everything in this country.
To know that we're actually building the world around what we make inside the United States is amazing.
I'm very proud to work for a company that supports the American workforce.
When you go other places by imported steel, you are eliminating jobs here in America.
I'm a buyer, so we try to buy all American made at all times. That's just who we are. That's what we do.
We're always going to be close. If you're buying, foreign product from overseas, a lot of the time they're in different time zones. They might be a lot harder to get a hold of. So if you need a quick turnaround, you're not waiting 3, 4, 5, or 6 months for an imported product to come in. Working with Wheatland as a domestic manufacturer, you have a direct line of contact and a quality, U.S.-made product.
American products are better because of the standard that we are held by making our tube, our steel.
So we have the traceability all the way from the steel mill to when we install a piece of pipe. We get audited constantly. When you're buying the foreign stuff, not quite sure what you're getting, the handshakes of traceability and just random stencils and labels, and you don't have the governing bodies that are paying attention and the eyes watching it.
When it comes to the quality of the product, I believe that built in America, it's so much better than anything else you can buy.
To be part of American-made manufacturing, I feel very patriotic when I hear that.
It's a whole domino effect of jobs, opportunity, and strength to the economy.
If it wasn't for American manufacturing, this country, as we know it, wouldn't exist.